Okay, so I'll be quick. We're going to talk about the Unit 2 Lab 2B. You already did Unit 2 Lab 2A, where we created virtual I/O. You created virtual inputs and virtual outputs. Come on in and zoom in on the screen so you can see that real close. And okay, great, thank you. And what we're going to do today is we're going to do physical I/O, right? Obviously, we need to connect to the outside world. So I'm opening this up with the power on, but I want you to have the power off when you go ahead and do all of this work, and I want to be able to see all of the circuits before you power it on, before you plug it in. So we're going to be connecting these output ports to these terminal blocks, and then from the terminal blocks, we'll have a series of wires that are ending in banana clips that we'll be using to connect to various output devices. So in this case, it's a tower indicator that might be used in a factory. The ones that you are not connecting to banana clips until a later lab, just please cover them with tape so they don't accidentally touch something and ground out. Even if the relay doesn't say that they're energized, I still don't want them flopping around there. As far as the inputs are concerned, in a later lab we'll use terminal blocks for inputs just like we did for the outputs. But today we're just going to provide inputs with these buttons that we have already placed into our NEMA enclosure. So today we're going to be operating machinery. It's just an imaginary machinery. You can see the light is red because we pushed the emergency stop button. If we remove the emergency stop button, we expect that the light goes out, and also the HMI screen shows the same thing. If we press and hold down the button, then the machine is operating, and then when we let go of the button, the machine stops, whatever that happens to be. And the last thing is that if the emergency stop is pressed and you push the green button, it does not allow you to start the machine and issues a yellow warning light. So that's pretty much what we're doing physically. These are physical inputs, physical outputs, and then we want that mirrored in our HMI screen. Thank you for listening. I appreciate it.